The third thing I kind of raised is the question of what the rule of law is. One of the standard types of conversations I'll have with lawyers or when I'm teaching is, say, well, okay, if you're at the bus stop and a friend comes up and say, what have you been doing? And they say, oh, I've been to this thing about the rule of law. And they say, what is the rule of law? How long would you want there before the bus comes? How long could you talk about what the rule of law is? And for most lawyers, they'd struggle to do 30 seconds. And one of the things that's really important is it is a concept with content. It's not an abstract sort of floaty thing. It has clear principles with content. A society going by the rule of law, laws are clear and certain. People are equal before the law. There are independent judiciaries. These are clear principles. You can basically pick them up and hold them. And they're really challenging. We're equal before the law. Can you prosecute a parliamentarian? Of course you can. All those expenses. Can you challenge decisions made about you by the government? Yes, you can. So when people are immigrants, do they have rights to appeal against decisions made about them by the government? When we look at revoking citizenship, which is something my other country, Australia, is currently in the process of putting into law, the ability to do that. The connection with extremism has come up. The government is soon going to publish a bill, the extremism bill, which is about countering non-violent extremism. And extremism is, and I quote from the draft, vocal or active opposition to fundamental British values, democracy, rule of law, individual liberty, etc. You will have laws that permit banning organisations that engage in this vocal or active opposition, that restrict people's movements who do it, that close premises. And so the rule of law says that laws need to be clear and certain. We need to know what our obligations are, what restrictions are upon us. And the discussion tonight suggests that if we don't know exactly what British values are, to start suggesting you can make illegal behaviour something that is in conflict with those is really difficult on rule of law grounds.